This is the pocket knife I keep on my bag I carry with me when I go walking, hiking, stuff like that. This is the knife I carry on me. I think of it as mostly a defensive knife, although I've never had to use it as such. I've used it a lot more for other things than I have defensive, but I like the spring assist because you're not always in a position to be flipping a knife open or opening it with your fingers. So it's got a nice spring assist. It also has it's easy to close. Also has a safety on it, so you're not accidentally, engaging your pocket. Although I've failed to put the safety on it. I've never, that takes a little bit of effort. I mean, it could happen, but I don't know if it would. But yeah, it's been a good little knife. It's I've had it for several years now, like 3 years I think, and I've had no issues with it. It's pretty lightweight. For a bigger pocket knife. It's pretty lightweight. It's got the it keeps a sharp edge on it. I haven't sharpened this in a while, and it's still got a sharp edge on it. Of course, I don't use this knife a lot as a knife. This is more of my defensive knife, but it keeps a good sharp edge on it. It's not losing the edge at all, and it's staying sharp. I have a clip on here. I usually hang it on my. Who's that back up? Before I stick myself. I got a clip here. I hang it on my bag by the clip, and so it's when I'm hiking or walking, it's like right here, so I can just grab it up, and, flip it out if I need to, and yeah, it's a good good knife to have if you want your partner to have a defensive weapon on her to keep in her purse. This is a good option. I think you just keep it in your purse, and you don't have to worry about trying to flip it open or anything like that. Good to have in your car, like sitting in your center console. Used for that. I think of this as a defensive knife, and as because that's what it is. Now, I understand that is not legal in all states. I think California has a ban on them, but so check that out before you order it. But yeah, if you're looking for a good high quality knife and looking for something a little bit more defensive, this is a better option than say a switchblade, which are illegal in most states. I think they're illegal in all states, to be perfectly honest. But better option all the way, because switchblades go, and that's kind of dangerous to have in your pocket. But this, if you have that in a pocket, it's sorry, if you have that in a pocket, it's not going to open on you, because that. But as soon as you pull it out, you can flip it right open. Yeah, good knife to have for tactical reasons, and I think it's listed on Amazon as a tactical knife. So if you're looking at it and you're thinking about getting it, yeah, I highly suggest this knife. It's a good quality knife, and it's held up for me for over 3 years now, and yeah, good sharp blade, good quality knife, and you have a great day. Take care. Bye.